What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2021 Ford F150 Platinum. We bought this truck from an auto insurance auction with the right side collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1 and 2, I'll put a link in description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. Live auction, us repairing, and all the way to this point. So in this video, part 3, this is gonna be the last video. We're gonna start putting the truck back together, and we got a lot of work ahead of us. So let's pull the truck inside, start putting everything together, and get this truck ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Let's go. Also, if you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new video. Don't forget to like this video as well. And now let's get to work. I got the truck inside of the shop so we could start putting it back together. And I got a lot of work ahead of me to put this truck back together, but we're gonna start with the back end and then work our way to the front. Back end pretty much just gotta replace the new tail light. I already got the new tail light. Ooh, just caught myself. Wow, that was pretty sharp. And this is the new one. Then we're gonna move on to the cab. We got lots of work ahead of us. I gotta install both curtain airbags, install the moonroof, sunroof, seat belt, and both seats. And then we'll move on to the front. I got a new fender, new hood, new bumper, just install everything, and the truck is pretty much ready for wash, detail, and delivery. So those are the steps we're gonna go through to complete this truck. So let's go, let's do this. So I installed everything back, the sunroof, the headliner, all the airbags, seat belts. I had to send both of the seat belts to get reconditioned. So we're all finished with the interior. The only thing, we're still waiting for the airbag module. So once that comes in, we'll just install it and we'll do the final reset. put the doors together, so everything is done with the doors, and man, it looks really nice. So we painted the mirrors and the moldings glass black instead of chrome, and the door handles, and man, that looks clean. I like it. Wow, came out super nice. So next we're gonna jump on the front end, install the headlights, the grille, wrap everything up, and we're pretty much done. Just waiting on the windshield and rear glass. So right now I'm gonna remove the old bumper. We got a brand new bumper because this one's damaged. He unfortunately got pretty messed up right here, so we got a brand new one, and it's right here, painted and ready to go. So I'll remove this one, transfer everything into this one, and we'll start reinstalling it again. Just removed the bumper, and boy, oh boy, that's a lot of stuff I gotta transfer. Check it out, I swear, the newer the cars, the more crap they put. Look at all this stuff, that's crazy. It's gonna take me a cool minute to transfer everything. So let's do this. Somebody has to do it. Dr. Vlad. I just finally got the main module back, so now we could install this and hopefully lots of codes will disappear. I'm crossing my fingers, but we've been waiting for this piece, so, and it goes right here, so I had to remove this whole center console just to get that. And we're also still waiting for the windshield and rear glass. So they sent me the wrong one. I had to order another one because this one comes with the front camera. So I don't know what they did, but they messed it up. They sent me the wrong one, so we had to wait 2 more weeks just to get the right proper one this time. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers. But for now, let's install this module and start clearing all the codes. And I also want to do the alignment because the wheel is completely sideways. This is how the steering wheel is, and the wheels are straight. So hopefully they could just recalibrate everything and get this bad boy back on the road. Let's install this module right now and we'll go from there. Just installed the module, so now we could do the final reset and alignment. Unfortunately, my computer doesn't work, only works for 2020 model, not 21. So luckily my neighbors next door to me, they got the new computer, so they're gonna do the final reset and do the final alignment, and pretty much we're just waiting on the windshield. So let's take the car to them and we'll go from there. So we just finished with the alignment. We reset all the airbag lights, so we're done with airbags and alignment, but we got ourselves a little problem, little situation, and let me show you exactly what it is. Unexpected little situation. Let me start the truck and I'll show you what's going on with it. So no more airbag lights, all the lights disappeared except for this light, and we can reset the light, it just keeps coming back. And the guys are saying the electric steering rack is bad from the impact to the wheel. I guess it damaged something, and they're super sensitive from what I understood. So that's our little situation. We're gonna go for a little test drive just to see how the truck drives, but it drives good. Everything seems to be working just except for that. So if any of you guys know this problem, adaptive steering fault, so please let me know. I would love to solve this problem. Pretty much this is the only thing stopping me from delivering the truck, and I called the dealer to see if they have the steering rack available, and it's back order all the way to December. So we're screwed, kind of, you know. We can't do anything, and I tried calling junkyards and nobody has parts for this 21 model. So we're in this bad situation. So if you guys know how to solve this problem, please drop a comment. Would love to hear your feedback on this one. But for now, let's go for a little test drive. I'll show you how the truck drives and we'll go from there. Put our seatbelt on, very important. Gotta always put a seatbelt on. And let's go for a little cruise and see how this bad boy drives. Yeah, that sucks. Pretty much this is the only thing that's stopping me from delivering this truck, because we're pretty much done with everything. Check it out how nice this truck drives. It's really awesome truck. Truck drives amazing. We're pretty much done with everything except for this little problem, the steering rack. So once we get the windshield, I'll try to go to the dealer and have them do a final look. Maybe somehow they could recalibrate or do something before I pay for the steering rack. I already placed the order, but I haven't paid for it. So once the windshield and rear glass comes in, we'll take the truck to the dealership and see what they say before we spend, because the steering rack, it's like $1,200 plus lots of work to change it. So we'll do that. So for now, this is where we are. We're gonna end the video here. This is a little update on the truck. I know a lot of you guys been asking what's going on with the truck. So here's the truck, and it's all done except for those two little situations that we got. We're still waiting for the rear glass and windshield. It was back ordered, so hopefully we should get it in the next couple weeks, they said. And then on the steering rack, unfortunately, it's back ordered as well, and they said the ETA late November, early December. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to put this project on hold and wait for those parts. So for now, since I'm making you guys wait another month for the final video, we're gonna play a little game. We're gonna do a couple LNC giveaways, 2 sweaters for 2 lucky winners, and super easy to enter the giveaway. Just drop a comment where you're from, and that's it. Simple and easy. And once the truck is completely done, on the final video, I'll pick 2 lucky winners for the LNC giveaway sweater. So easy and simple. Please drop a comment, and I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new video. Don't forget to like this video as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!